Let's have a quick look at the additional modules. They are all fun and games, but not without an educational aspect. The first one is the ball game. The objective here is to guide a virtual ball by shaping a track it can run. The game can be operated with nothing but the big button. It provides hours of fun, at the same time helping with spatial and strategic thinking development. Another module is the Paradise Island. There is nothing to be accomplished here, just the pure joy of building an ecosystem and watching it thrive. The last module is called the Discovery game. You will need a touchscreen or tablet to use it. The objective of this game is to find hidden objects buried underneath the sand. To excavate them, carefully remove all the surrounding sand, leaving just the object. With the alphabet and numbers available, it is great learning through playing. If you want to learn more about the modules, check out the links in the video description.